Ekpele, Moki Bogwa Wangba. Greetings, I greet all my elders. This is part of my Bibi Tumikasa Yoruba Final, and I'm going to be reading the conversation I created between Titi and Tunde about what they like to eat or eating. I'm still learning, so bear with me. Báwo ni Titi? Ọ̀dàrà díẹ̀, ìwọ ńkọ́? Dáadáa ni, àdúpẹ́ o. Ó ti pẹ́ tí mo ti rí ọgbà yìí. Mo ti ń fẹ́ òkú. Lọ́tọ̀, èmi ni mo fẹ́ òkú jùlọ. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni, mo wá sí ilé rẹ̀ lẹ́ẹ̀mejì náà, ṣùgbọ́n ọkọ wà ní ilé. Mo gbọ́ bẹ́ẹ̀. Jẹ́ ká la Ifá orogún. Màmá mi sọ fún pé ó fẹ́ lọ sí ilé oúnjẹ. Pẹ̀lú mi sí ọ̀sọ́pọ̀ ẹ̀ fẹ́ pàdé mi ní ìgbà yìí. Ṣé lọ́tọ̀ ni? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Ṣé ò ti múra? Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni. Kí ló fẹ́ wá fi jẹun? Nǹkan mọ̀, ṣùgbọ́n ẹ̀bí ń pa mí púpọ̀. Èmi náà, bóyá èkuru tàbí ọbẹ̀ adìẹ pẹ̀lú ẹ̀mú àdàrà. Ó yá, ṣé ká lọ? The translation, how's it going, TT? It's going okay. And yourself? It's well. We give thanks to the Creator. It's been a long time since I've seen you last. I missed you. For real? It's I who have missed you. Yes, I came by your house twice yesterday, but you weren't there. I heard. Let's cut the story short. My mother told me that you wanted to go to the restaurant with me and to meet you here at this time. Is that true? Yes. Are you ready? Yes. What do you want us to eat? I don't know, but I'm really hungry. Me too. How about bean cake with chicken stew? Chicken stew with palm wine is good for me. Okay, let's go.